which helps everybody. Let us take a look into this one.
You see, it doesn't matter the political narrative out there, okay? Do you understand this? You don't keep quiet because somebody's saying something about Wicknell Chivhayo. So you can't, we have to mention he's the one who did this. Whatever whatever your political talk is, we don't care about that. So she's just told me, it's Brother Wicknell who helped me. That's important. That name is important to mention. Are you hearing this?
Prophet.
Yes. She had no way to stand. Things were hard.
Prophet, help me. Emergency surgery. Because I division, I mix oxygen and blood.
And somebody hears that and is watching, and then says, I'm going to pay. Now imagine, you can move around and say, that is an evil person. That is what? A thief.
Do you know where it comes from? If you ever know where he stole the money. If you now know where you stole the money, now you can go to the police and report the case. Here we are happy that he helped this daughter.
See, the anger in people would cause you not to appreciate a person. I don't think you are related to him.
No, I don't even know him.
Just imagine. Do you see? Just so, and then it happened. So is it bad if people see, they watch, they see, and say, I want to help that? Some miracles come in different ways. Sometimes, you see, now we are waiting for our healing institute. It has taken weeks, and we're not doing healing until Sunday, right?
Yes.
Sunday. What are people going to do in the middle? Some people are watching, and they just love what they see, and they say, that one I'm going to help. That is important. All right? Just few weeks ago, few days ago, I was in Spain. And apparently, I had somebody lied to this gentleman that I have a license from the Ministry of Health. Let me tell you something. I have not received $1 from this government. I have no contract, no license, no contract, no business whatsoever. Me and my wife can tell you, search for it. You will not find one. We have not even applied to get business. All the money we have used in Uebert Angel Foundation, our money. So if there is somebody who gave someone money, it's us who gave the government money. Nowhere. And we will continue to be like that. I have no contract I need. You might need it. But you see, some people will be running their cause. And some people will be there to status cause in churches. And they go and whisper to a man and say, mention also Uebert Angel. He got this from this one. He got this from this one. Where? Find the evidence. Zero. I do not. During COVID, we spent over 5 million. 3 million as a batch. Then we went to 2 million. 5 million of our own money. We were feeding parties, apolitical. Whether this party or that party, we're just feeding everyone. And we made sure all the political parties were present. The leaders were present when we were giving. And we are starting in a few weeks' time. Now, we are restarting the program. Zero money.
So this is what Uebert Angel said, and it's questionable because he clearly then says that he is not a beneficiary of anything from the government. And that then makes the people of Zimbabwe raise a lot of questions to say, okay, you are saying that you are not a beneficiary of anything from the government. You are the one who has been donating to the government. What is your benefit per Al Jazeera documentary, the information which was leaked, where you were going to be the chief facilitator to move billions into Zimbabwe and out of Zimbabwe? You have been there at the center of such things. And it's said for Uebert Angel to come and request for evidence with kind of personal evidence whatsoever. There is overwhelming evidence that Chivhayo participated in the corruption. For example, the recent report in South Africa, it's a clear indication. Then, before we go any further, let us take a look on what the government said about the investigations on Uebert Angel.
Being serialized by an international broadcasting channel, which purports to expose a network of alleged money laundering and gold smuggling in Zimbabwe. Government takes the allegations which are raised in this documentary seriously and has directed relevant organs to institute investigations into the issues raised therein. Any person found to have engaged in acts of corruption, fraud, or any form of crime will face the full wrath of the law. Government takes this opportunity to reaffirm its commitment to upholding local and international laws, including laws relating to financial transactions, the trade of gold, and the other precious minerals of our country. Boastful behavior and name dropping by some personalities featured in the documentary, seeking personal gain and glory, should never be taken as an enunciation of government policy. Government remains seized with the matter, and the nation will be kept apprised of any new developments. I thank you.
So up to now, the government has not come with the appraisal of the new developments to tell the people whether he was found wanting or not. They just kept quiet. And then the same person who is being accused of participating in that shameful thing will be telling you to bring evidence. You know, this is the biggest problem which you have with these people. They think kuti vanhu vakadzungaira kana kuti vanhu vakapusa to such extent. And there is overwhelming evidence iye achitozviita pachake. Let us take a look on this one.
I'm the second largest diplomat in the country.
We will bring the capital, the cash.
It's money that cannot be declared.
Al Jazeera documentary, they were talking about moving 1.2 billion United States dollars. And he proved that they can use diplomatic channels and a privilege to smuggle things in and out of Zimbabwe without anybody questioning him, without anybody asking questions. This is the man who does have the audacity to come and say that people must bring evidence on whatever which Chivhayo is doing. There is whole evidence of Zimbabwe Electoral Commission. There is whole evidence of Uganda Solar Project. But to them, the man is clean. The man, there's no need for us to question. So these are people who would destroy the hospitals. They will make sure that the hospitals are rendered useless. And they will come as saviors. They will come as if they are saving anybody. They will make us not able to work for ourselves and make money. And they will come and buy people cars. And then they will be the saviors. It can't continue like that. The people of Zimbabwe are worried that they've been working so hard. But what are they getting in return? Nothing. Only for Chivhayo to come and give my musicians motor. It's wrong for Mr. Uebert Angel. So we will watch and see. But what I know is one day the truth shall be known. One day the truth shall be told. And one day these people, they'll pay for the crimes